Gecko 135th Bedford OYD Truck. Part 1, What's in the Box? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, it's good to have you with us. Right, so this is the next kit I'm going to be building. This is the brand new from Gecko, the Bedford OYD Truck with a wooden body. It's an amazing kit. That's all I can say. There's two things in it that I've never seen in a kit before. So keep watching and I'll show you them as we get to the instructions. The box is just a standard Gecko box with the CAD diagrams on there. It looks like it's going to be a really nice kit. Here are the instructions, normal Gecko instructions, loads and loads of pages. Starts off with a normal sprue map, so you can easily find where everything is. And then it just goes through as Gecko do. Nice ladder chassis, really nice diagrams, all clearly laid out. And here we go. Engine. It's nice that they detail the color of the engine because that's often something that's difficult to see. That's the front steering assembly, which looks like they're steerable. And here we go. Here's the first thing that I've never ever seen. So it says you need to stretch some sprue to make the valves for the tires. Have you ever seen that on a kit? And is that anything? Have you ever even thought of doing that yourself? That's amazing. Um, I mean, yeah, the pictures speak for themselves. This looked like it's going to be a really good kit to build. Some photo-etch detail in the cab, which is nice. Yeah, really looking forward to this one. It's going to take a while, I think. It's not going to be a quick build, but we'll give it a go. Uh, there's some wing nuts that you need to put on the window openings. The level of detail is amazing. I am flipping through this really quickly. I realise that, but I know that these aren't necessarily the most exciting builds. Um, so the doors, two-part doors with the glass in between, which is good. So that means you can model the window part open, and then onto the body itself. And again, this is where the next innovation comes, because I've never seen this before, and this looks amazing. Um, the canvas on the top is really nice. Uh, Fuel canisters to go under slung, boxes and bits, blah 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 blah. Really whipping through it quickly because I'm so excited. Have you ever seen a kit that provides you with string so you can put realistic rope to tie the canvas to the body? Look at that. It's amazing. And I'll show you the string that comes with the kit in a minute. But it's really nice, really nice. So that's the two really innovative things that I say I've never seen in a kit before. Um, Here are the different options for with regards to paint markings. There's uh, they're all the supply core. Um, so coupling green, that one's quite nice. And then a couple of sand colored ones for the Royal Army Service Corps. So yeah, really nice. Okay, so let's have a quick look through the box. I'm not going to go through everything in great detail because there's a huge amount of plastic in here. But I will just bring your attention to a few of the bits. as we come through. So look at all that plastic. It's going to take a lot of glue to hold this together, I think. Okay. I say I'll just pick out some interesting bits. Um, okay, so here's the first random bag opened, just to see the level of molding really. You can see that there's a wheel there. It's nice, these wheels, because they haven't got the two faces and then the round of the tire, so that there's no seams, which again is a really nice way of doing it. It means that here are the surface of the tires. If I can get the bag open, you see they're all individually molded, really nice crisp detail, but you don't get the mold line down the center of the tread. So it's really, really nice. The next random bag is I won't go through all of them because there really is a lot. Um, but there's the wooden sides, nice crisp molding. I couldn't find any sink marks on it, which is nice. No injection pin marks. It's just all really, really nicely done. Here's the canvas body, and you can see there at the bottom the holes that are pre-drilled. They're all really crisply done, so you can get the rope through. And I say it's something you've always wanted to do, but you've never really been able to do it. But look, you can see the holes are really crisply molded, um, and there's some nice texture on the canvas as well. So yeah, this is definitely going to have canvas on it, and then we can tie it down. Okay, next bag. This is the inside of the cab. So the seats are really nicely molded. They've got some nice uh, sort of wrinkles on them, which is nice to see. Um, and then normally there'd be some injection marks on the inside of the roof, but there aren't on this one. So yeah, really, really, really good. There are the doors. Let's say two-part doors, so you can drop the windows, which is nice. Um, and then that's the bed of the cargo compartment, and again, really nicely crisp molding. Do some nice wood effects on that, and then they're the canvas ends. So obviously, if you want to do that closed, no point doing wood effect, but I probably will anyway, because I enjoy doing it. And then um, in here is the Photo-etch, which again is really nicely done, as you'd expect, but some nice surface detail. Really nicely done. And then here's the string, and it's really nice string that's going to mimic rope really nicely. It's not fluffy and hairy, so it will look in scale. I've been trying to get this sort of stuff from a haberdashery, and I've yet to find it. So yeah, really nice. And then here are the decals. Uh, Pretty basic. There's not a lot on there, just some sort of group markings and everything. Um, and yeah, that's quite interesting. That's Let me know if I'm wrong down in the comments, but I think that's the anti-gas paint that's put on trucks. Anyway, there you go, guys. Just a really quick review. Hope you're as excited about that as I am. So that'll be the next kit that I build. So like and subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.